Okay, hello. Another week has gone by, and I got it back and ready to run. I have done a couple of things. First, let's see, I cleaned and fixed up the air filters there from when I was doing a little soda blasting. Needed to be cleaned out. Also, the fuel pump was leaking before, and I rebuilt that. I had a diaphragm that I recovered from another pump that I had on the shelf, but I liked the look of the pump housing on the one that was on the engine, so I put the diaphragm in there. Everything seems to be good now. I put water in it, and I've got some leaks. Got one there. And there's another one on the other side. Looks like a freeze plug up in here is weeping a bit. Pretty good. But having said that, let's fire it up and see how it goes today. Let's put you over here for a few minutes. smoke coming off her. This stuff heating up, I think. Okay, there it is.